Okay, I'm gonna work on the kind of the transition here a little bit. If I come to the masking, I kind of want there to be more of a, I guess, a defined line here. So what I'm gonna do is grab brush, just kind of bring this up a little bit, and just, again, ever so slightly pull that out. Okay, great. And maybe pull this down just a little bit. And then I'm going to go to the, again, clay strips. And then I feel like there can be kind of more fat buildup here. Kind of under the belly button. And then maybe having kind of a more and even looking at that from the side, here we go. I gotta be careful when I pull like that, that I'm not, maybe if I have a bigger brush, it's gonna be less harmful to the front. And there we go. Yeah, that looks a little better. And I kind of like this separation of belly here. So let's see. Now, let's see, if I come to the back here, maybe I'll go to the back and turn off front. And I can see it here. So maybe I don't need to see it here. And you'll notice that, it looks like I get, I start on one area and then I kind of jump around. And again, I feel like I do that on purpose because I feel like I don't want to get overly caught up in one particular area. And then I feel like when I move my camera, I might notice something that doesn't look right. Okay, it kind of catches my eye right away. And I don't want to ever get caught in the thing of, well, wait a minute, I'm not working on that area. I want to kind of address it as I see it. And what that does is it kind of keeps my eye fresh. And I'm really kind of thinking about it. And seeing it properly. So again, just kind of giving you insight to the sculpting process and how to think like a sculptor, right? You can see there's a few techniques like this with the masking, obviously that'll be important, but I feel like what it comes down to is just putting in the time and practicing, okay? You don't need to know a lot of brushes. It's not about knowing a ton of them. You can see that I've only really used the grab brush and the clay strips, maybe the draw sharp, the smooth, but really that's about it. Nothing too exciting there, and I think that in a way that should be kind of comforting, because I think that it's not like you have to remember, oh my gosh, what brush should I do or anything like that. It's just about kind of, I think, getting good reference and practicing. And again, if you find your smoothing is taking away all the detail that you've put in, I feel like obviously that's going to be too much. You want there to be kind of hints of that detail, obviously. Okay, now let's see with the extras. Let me see. So on this kind of stuff, I just kind of push until I can kind of see it, and then I kind of bring it back. Okay, good.